wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Yay! Oh! Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! You guys found me when I was working out. Yeah, I'm pumping iron. Yeah, that's because I'm tough. Are you guys tough? Yeah, I bet you are, huh? Ooh, wow, this weight's really heavy. Should I do 5 more? Let's do 1,
Hi, Olivia.
2. Oh, hi, Noah. How are you?
Good. What are you doing?
I'm lifting weights because I'm tough.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are? Can I lift with you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it together.
Let's do it together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Whew.
100.
Oh, yeah?
I did 100.
Well, I already did 90 before you got here.
So we both did 100.
We both did 100.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. Really, I just did 10 before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I see. Why are all these balls out?
Well, I was getting out the weights, and then all these balls fell out, and so I thought I would just keep them out and see.
Those
if we
are
wanted
all
to
my
play.
balls.
Yeah.
You just went through my box and pulled out all of these balls. That's not nice of you.
No, my purple weights were in with your balls. They were on the very, very bottom. Yeah.
Well, then you could have put the balls away again.
Well, but I thought maybe you'd want to play with them. I'll put them away if you don't want to play.
I do want to play, but you never play my sports.
Yeah, that's why I was going to ask you, because I don't know what all of your sports are. Do you want to teach me?
Yeah, sure. What do you don't know?
Here, I don't know this one. What's this one for?
Oh, that's easy, Olivia.
Yeah?
That's a soccer ball.
Ooh, okay. Well, I know
You
it's
play
a
soccer with that.
ball, but how do you play soccer? What do you do? Do I throw it in the air?
No. So a soccer ball is you kick it with your feet, and whoever scores into the goal, they win.
Oh, wow. The most times, right?
Yeah, of course, the most times.
Wow. That's neat.
Yep.
That sounds really fun.
So what else?
Oh, how about this bright orange one? This one right here.
That one is
Yeah.
a basketball.
Ooh.
So that one you use. That one you use to throw into a basket. That's why it's called basketball. You throw the ball into a basket,
Whoa.
and then once it goes into the basket, you can either score 2 points, or if you throw it from far away, you
Wow.
can get 3 points.
You can get 3 points from
Yeah.
one basket?
And if you
That's
hold
great.
me trying to throw it into the basket, that's then a free throw, and that counts for 1 point.
If I hold you? Oh, like if I stop you, if I hit your hand,
Yeah.
and then when you get to do a shot on your own.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, very,
And
very
that's
cool.
a free throw, and now I get 2 of those, and then I just
Wow.
go like, whoop,
Whoop. And there it goes by basketball.
and I went in.
Ooh, yeah.
2 points.
2 points. 1. It was a free throw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What about the white ball in front?
This one?
Yeah, the big one.
This one is a volleyball.
Ooh.
This one. So basically, you have 6 people on each side of the volleyball field, and then you use your hands to punch it over the net.
And you hit it like that.
Yeah, you hit it. And if it drops on the ground, then the other person gets a point.
Oh wow, I've seen that one. That one people play at the beach a lot, right?
Exactly. So
Yeah.
the whole point is that you have 3 chances to get it over to the other side.
wow.
And if it takes you more than that, then obviously you lose a point, or the other team gets a point.
yeah.
And
I
if
like
you
that.
do get it over and it falls onto the other team's field, then you get a point too. But the whole point is you use your hands and make sure that it never hits the ground, and you volley it over.
Oh, and then it never hits the net either.
Yeah.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, what about the black one?
This one?
Yeah, that one in front of you.
Oh, that's a small football.
Ooh.
It's not an original football. This is just like my football to play with.
Oh, is it like a kid's size football?
Yeah, a kid-size football.
Special for us.
Yeah. And football, well, that's a fall season sport, right? And this is the one you use differently. So you can throw the ball.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And if somebody catches it and they run, they can make a touchdown.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and I know how many points a touchdown is.
Oh, how many?
It's 6.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then what happens afterwards, I mean, there are many rules and we won't cover all of them, but you can also kick the ball and either get 1 point if you score a touchdown, or if you didn't score a touchdown and you are 1 down away from giving the ball to the other team, you can also kick it, and for that you can get 3 points.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know what that's called too.
It is called what?
A field goal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then also when you score points, you kick the ball to the other team.
Oh, yeah.
So you use both. You throw it or you hand it off, and then you kick it to score points.
And then you run a lot, right? Run really far, really fast.
Touchdown!
And then you do a dance. I see them. They're like, touchdown. I did a dance. Touchdown dance, like that. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Exactly.
Just like that.
Yep, just a little touchdown dance. Oh, what's that one that you just hit with your hand? This yellow one.
Oh, the yellow one? This
Yeah,
one?
what's that one?
That fits with my shirt, doesn't it? See?
Oh, it's a baseball.
Exactly. Baseball's my favorite sport. You know that.
Yeah, I know that. Oh, do you have a bat too?
I don't, but I have a glove.
Oh, a glove. Oh, that's great. Yeah.
So I can basically throw it and then you can catch it.
Yeah, I can catch it in the glove. All right, I'm ready.
Yeah. So I can throw it to you, and then you catch it. Exactly.
And then I catch it in the glove like that.
Yep. And so I don't have a baseball, but usually what happens is one person throws the ball and the other one with the bat, he hits the ball, and then hopefully it goes all the way far. And if it goes over the boards, that's a home run.
Whoa.
Yeah. And if it doesn't, and if the player out on the field catches it just like you demonstrated, that means that person's out.
Oops. Unless you drop it like that. Then
Unless
they're
you
not
drop
out.
it, then they're not out.
Yeah.
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Here. I'm throwing it.
Okay.
Yay, you caught it.
I got it.
Good job.
Yay. I'm good at baseball. I like
Yep.
baseball.
Yep.
You know what?
I
you
love
can
baseball.
Also play?
That's my favorite sport.
Yeah. Do you know what else you can play with baseballs? Or with a ball that's very like a baseball?
No.
Softball.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But isn't that for girls only?
No, boys can play softball.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I thought that was a girls' sport.
Girls play softball, but boys can play softball too.
Oh,
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah, they can. I think girls can actually play baseball now too. It's just
Yeah.
they don't always.
They don't know.
But they can. I like baseball and softball. They're fun.
Yep.
The main difference is that you have a softer ball and you pitch different.
Yeah.
Right?
You pitch underhand, whereas baseball overhand,
Yep.
right?
Yep. That's right. Cool.
Well, you know, can I get back to my workout because you know, I want to get ready for the next sports season and I want to be strong and fit.
Me too. I want to do the fitness challenge.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, but there's one thing I forgot, Olivia.
What's that?
Because you're quite a good and smart person and you're really strong too.
Yeah.
I have a
that's
gift.
my muscles.
Yeah, I have something for you. Hold on.
Oh, kids, he has something for me. That's neat. I wonder what it is. I like surprises. Do you like surprises? Yeah. Yeah, surprises are really, really fun, huh?
Look, I have an award for you because of your physical fitness.
Oh, wow, Noah. Oh, it's so nice. I really like it.
Yeah?
Oh,
Let's show the kids.
Let's show the kids. Look look, kids, I got an award for my physical fitness.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yep.
Yeah, I think since I'm feeling so fit and I got an award, I think I'm gonna go for a jog.
Okay, then go
Yeah.
for a jog. I'm going to go and pump some more iron.
Okay, you pump iron. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna pump
2,
some iron first too.
3,
just a little bit more.
4,
Okay.
5,
1,
6,
2,
7,
3,
8,
4,
9,
5,
10,
6,
11,
7,
12,
8,
13,
9,
14,
10,
15,
Ooh,
16,
11,
17,
12,
18,
13,
19,
14,
80,
15.
81, 82, 83,
I think maybe you should work on your
85,
numbers.
86, 87, 89, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99!
100!
Oh, I forgot my 100.
You can do 100 now.
100!
Woo!
Poop.
Good job.
I'm pooped now.
Oof. Me too.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, kids, remember to work out because even as a kid, it's fun to do exercises, right?
Yeah, and to stay physically fit.
And you can choose any of the sports that we just showed you. You can choose any or all of them, whichever is fun for you, right?
Yeah, and you could go jogging, or you could do track too. Track's fun.
Yeah, or you can go on a bike.
Oh yeah, bicycling.
Yeah, that's fun too.
Yeah.
Or skateboarding or
Oh,
surfing.
yeah,
There's
or
so
ice
many
skating. There's
things
so many
you can
things.
do.
And most of them are fun and outside. Some are in a gym, but
Exactly.
you can play most of them outside.
Yep.
Cool.
Well, kids, we're gonna go back to our workout. Maybe we
Yay.
can play some soccer outside or even baseball, okay?
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, kids. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye. 1,000.
No way.
Yep.
Wow. Whew.
That was a good one.
I'm tired.
Good job.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good job, you
High
two.
five.
High five. Boo.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!